In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Password and Security. Then lock screen passwords at the top and one of those login methods, like pattern. Now you get to create it and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, hit confirm and tap on one of those options to decide what you do with lock screen notifications. Finally, hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!